Biren sworn in as the first BJP Chief Minister of Manipur. Governor Najma Heptullah is hopeful the new BJP government will work for the development of Manipur. New Chief Minister Biren assures people of ending UNC's economic blockade as the first step of BJP government. And former Chief Minister Ibobi Zerd's multi-party coalition government does not last. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangdam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Nongthombam Biren was sworn in this afternoon as the first BJP Chief Minister of Manipur. A former journalist and footballer, Biren was elected from Haingang constituency. He was a former minister in the Ibobi late Congress government. The swearing-in was held at Raj Bhavan Banquet Hall at 1:25 p.m. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah administered the oath of office and secrecy to N. Biren and 8 other elected members of BJP, NPP, LJP and NPF. Former DGP of Manipur, Yumnam Joy Kumar, was sworn in as the Deputy Chief Minister. The other cabinet ministers who were sworn in today are T.S. Biswajit of BJP, L. Jayanta Kumar, Letpao Haukip and Kaishi of NPP, Karam Shyam of LJP, Losi Dikho of NPF and T.H. Shyam Kumar, who was elected as Congress ticket but joined the BJP. Y. Joy Kumar represents Uripok, T.H. Biswajit Thongchu, L. Jayanta Kumar, Kaisham Thong, Karam Shyam Lamthabal, T.H. Shyam Kumar Andro, and Kaishi Chandel, Leipao Haukip Chandel and Losi Dikho represents Mao. The floor test of the first BJP government in the state will be held on the 22nd of this month. The portfolios of the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and 7 cabinet ministers are yet to be announced. BJP national and state leader, top civil and police officials, families of the newly elected members attended the swearing-in ceremony.
Manipur State Chief Minister Moina, Kuning Sang Namsung, Aset Kawa Loina, Tokang, Pangkokani. Amasung, Aina Sangidhan Mituna, Missing Sangan Naikana, Akiba, Toganba, Natraga, Patawaka Yakana, Mitum, Kuning Masta, Sunbatogan. Sri Nong Kamam Biren Singh, I have a story in the WhatsApp Serimadi. I am a Manipur State Chief Minister Moina. Aina Kanana Pirpa, Napaga Aina, Hanapa Bisoy Amata, Chief Minister Gimato, Pakuran Natradi, Kanaguma Mishak Natraga Mishaka, Makan Natraga, Makan Nadana, Sangaloy Natraga, Pakuko.
Former Chief Minister Okram Ibobi and President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, T.N. Haukip, attended the swearing-in ceremony. Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar, former Deputy Chief Minister Kekangam and other former ministers were conspicuous by their absence. Olympian and Rajya Sabha MP Maricom, BJP leaders who lost in the recent elections, T.H. Chaupa and Yumkham Irabot, were also present at the event. The crowd applauded when T.H. Shyam Kumar, who was elected on Congress ticket, shook hands with Okram Ibobi after he took the oath. The banquet hall was jam-packed with invitees and several persons remained standing throughout the function. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah today congratulated the newly sworn-in Chief Minister of Manipur, Nongthombam Biren, and the cabinet ministers. She also appreciated the people of Manipur for the high poll percentage in the 11th Manipur Assembly elections. She was hopeful that the new BJP government will work for the development of Manipur.
I'm very happy that election took place very peacefully and there were no violence and the majority of the people voted. We are the #1 state in the country with almost 87% of voting percentage. And I think I'm very happy for it. And I wish the new Chief Minister, newly sworn in Chief Minister, to have a very successful tenure which will work for the progress and prosperity of the state of Manipur.
The first BJP Chief Minister of Manipur, Nongthong Bambiren, has assured that he will try to end the UNC's economic blockade as the first step of the new government. Speaking at the grand reception organized for the newly sworn-in ministers of the government by BJP Manipur Pradesh at Nityai Pachutek, Nongthong Bambiren emphasized that all the communities of the state are united under the BJP government. He said the government will go to the interior parts of Manipur to understand the grievances facing the people there. He also stressed the BJP's belief that there will be integration among the people only when the hills and valley develop together. Biren appealed to the people and civil society organizations to approach the government when they have problems instead of calling for bans. The chief minister said the door of the government will remain open for 24 hours for the people.
Bharat ki Prime Minister tung Prithvi na masa khangaba Narendra Modi ji ki magi leadership ki makhada amadi President Amit Shah ji ki makhada mayam na thaje bidana Manipur da amuk thok khidro maung da bahut share se sada kuntra taruk ki sang da huji hana sarkar pairam ba Congress na 34% share from matamda 36% share bibi rakana vote kahan biriba Manipur ki praja mayam da ai kok no ne kai kundaba mani thagaru phongdok seri corruption na chahat laga loiraba low inkhol lairaktraba tangaga lairakadorba oiraba state sideda BJP na ngasi corruption free oiba laingak sasan na thamgani haibase ngasi mayam yang lauthok seri masi.
Speaking at the event, Union Human Resource Development Minister Prakash Javadekar once again reiterated that the BJP will not compromise the integrity of Manipur. Prakash Javadekar maintained that the BJP formed the government to bring development in Manipur. He said Manipur has become blockade-free, ban-free and corruption-free. The Union Minister also expressed a hope that the new Chief Minister, N. Biren, will ensure that the state will be free from them. He said the state will now experience change under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and BJP. Union Minister Piyush Goyal, BJP North-East in charge Prahlad Singh Patel, Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, BJP Manipur Pradesh President KSH Babananda and BJP workers attended the event.
Banda free, blockade free, corruption free Manipur. We will achieve all the three and we are very confident. Biren Singh ji, banda free karenge, blockade free karenge and corruption free karenge. 10% का राज जग गया. अब एक मणिपुर में नई सुबह होगी जिसमें मणिपुर का भविष्य अच्छा होगा. डेवलपमेंट डेवलपमेंट एंड डेवलपमेंट. अमित शाह जी ने कहा है कि हम मणिपुर में प्रोग्रेस करेंगे, प्रॉस्पेरिटी करेंगे, डेवलपमेंट करेंगे और मणिपुर के टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रिटी के साथ कभी खिलवाड़ नहीं होने देंगे.
Former Chief Minister Okrami Bobi Singh has categorically stated that a multi-party coalition government does not last long and the Congress has decided to remain as opposition for some time. Ibobi, who has been the Chief Minister of the state for 15 years, today told a press meet held at the residence of former Congress Minister N. Loken at Sangai Pro, asserted that the new government will soon face differences due to ministers complaining about their portfolios and dissatisfaction among members who are denied ministership. Ibobi alleged that the BJP, despite its declaration that it would not have pre-poll alliance with the NPF, has now formed the government with the support of the NPF. Without naming Tej Shyam Kumar, who has left the Congress and joined the BJP, the former Chief Minister said he felt ashamed of him. He said he wished him good luck when he met him at Raj Bhavan. Ibobi maintained that if the NPF amends its constitution saying that it will not disturb the integrity of Manipur, the Congress is ready to form government with its support.
Pre-poll alliance tana ama haiba, postpone alliance tana ama tauba. Sigumba Manipur ki praja sing se apang bani akhoi na ta pahai haijalaga yani vote phangaga loire haibado. chap chana thokibase ngasi wasak lauiba government si Manipuri praja singda namthak tawraga power paidana ba tawba betrayer ni haibada masi akhoina mohoida chaibagi wa allegation tawbi wan taba moina tawba du haijabagi wan moi sakti pai gre ne kasu tawba ngamaroi na tawbra khoi praja sing se apang bani na khanbra haibse Manipur ki praja sing na idi kawroidra sineba ina ari ba sakti si adum mayam ne hena khangbiramagani Masan power or money power or any means in adna akoigi MLA ama party thado ga changriba MLA dusu magi demtu the sounding ubudi lairna mayam tabiram ngai raj bhavan da inga sai haijaram ni sorna chanbi ba voisno defect orga masagi khakta khallaga side line tauba defect tawse ai khoi di sounding ubudi lairna ikai Masina Indian democracy se it has become mockery. Hagi tahalleba masina ba. Masida entertain tawriba. Asoba National Party Center the Sarkar Pairi se masisu ikai ni ngai ni Sarkar Pairiba within the party or within the family. Moi masen mod khenarak ba khangde or masana asa tawba phangane na khalamba asa tawramdo mantri phangane na khalamba phangdre pidre haibani khangde or mantri phange phangachine apamba portfolio do pidre sidi kedoruni haibani khangde amani khangde or natraga laipak ki interest ta state ki interest ta policy da mot khenar ko khangde sungsoi soidana aina mantri oirodo de si hendam phai thugai bana phai haibani khangde amani khangde sidi loina thokna banga haktane ba aina chadra de mingone kari bijaruni haidana tawbo misu who knows maraktu da su yorok pu yai.
Meanwhile, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC has expelled T.H. Shyam Kumar of Andhra from the party. In a press release, the party said he has been expelled from the primary membership of the party for 6 years. Apunbalub Kamkil has appealed to give a cabinet post to P. Sarachandra, who has been elected from Moirang constituency. President of KG Moirang Kendra Organization, Kemkal, comprising of 60 organizations in Moirang, Y. Surjakumar said, Moirang is a tourist spot and a member elected from Moirang must be given a cabinet post to bring development. Time for a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. The Uttar Pradesh minister in the outgoing Samajwadi Party SP government, Gayatri Prajapati, accused of raping a woman and attempting to rape her minor daughter, was arrested this morning in Lucknow. He has been absconding since February 27th. He has been accused of raping a woman and attempting to rape her minor daughter. Gayatri Prajapati was later produced before a court and sent to 14-day judicial custody. Prajapati's arrest came just a few days after the BJP won the assembly elections. Ruining the UP government's failure to arrest Prajapati, Bharatiya Janata Party chief Amit Shah had in one of his rallies said that as soon as the BJP forms the government in UP on March 11, we will find Gayatri Prajapati even from hell and send him to jail. A Chetak helicopter of the Indian Air Force toppled in Allahabad today while making an emergency landing. Both the pilots are reported to be saved. The chopper, which took off from Bamroli Air Base, was on a routine training sortie. IAF sources said the aircraft toppled when the pilots tried to force land in on an uneven field after it developed a technical snag. IAF has ordered a court of inquiry to ascertain the cause of the accident. Now to sports news. Impact TV football team won the football in the 7th annual Sports Meet 2017 organized by All Manipur Working Journalists Union today. In the first match of the tournament played at Kumanlampa Artificial Turf Ground, Impact TV defeated ISTV 1-0. The lone goal was scored by Impact TV's team captain KSH Premchand in the second half of the match. Impact TV defeated Sangai Express in a penalty shootout 3-2 in the semi-final to reach the final. Media Unified defeated Pungnafam to enter the semi-finals. In the semi-final match, Media Unified defeated Eveninger FC in the penalty shootout to reach the final. In the final match, Impact TV defeated Media Unified 3-2 to claim the title. Impact TV bagged 3 gold and 1 silver. The cricket tournament will be played at Oriental College Ground tomorrow.
Impact TV ki team na mai pak phangre hauzik team asigi captain ga wari sanasi hauzik ngak mamang da sanaki match asida Impact team na 3-1 da Shanghai Express pu mai thiba pi khiba zikari phawe
yam nungai phawe ko zik final yore final su mayam punna chap manana yam na kan mong sana kan haiba ki thajaba thami adu sili team work ne maru hoina hauzik semi final match to di khoi try figure da hadi penalty shoot out ta ko keeper ai tar goal keeper na yam na facha mong na performance pi gi na ko yam na chaw no mai pak ngam ne si matang da hena ko gi masi matang da hena program bi hai tar ka di ko goal keeper kam tang wai sanabio
Impact team ki captain na hai khiba matungin na goalkeeper na achaw thodang ma lauki hai aduna hojiki thoi khiba adugi matang da kitang haibiu
hojiki khogi sanagi match ke sangai sanagi match da khogi team player ga loi phajan sane adubu aroi bada 1-1 draw rakpadagi last laibak se aingonda tawa ado mayam na su aingonda khogi coach amadi manager singa dei player mayam na aingonda thajaba thambagi aiju isor khoram dana soida ngam dana ohenbio na isor khoram dana tawbadagi isor na chanbi ba dei mayam na nuksibi dagi aina nga shape taw ngam dana ai khoi final yoksan ngam jabani.
A friendly football match was played between All Manipur Working Journalists Union and Kanglai Park Students Association today at Imphal Polo Ground. All Manipur Working Journalists Union beat Kanglai Park Students Association 1-0 in the match played as a part of the 6th Kanglai Mega Sports Festival. Kanglai Park Students Association will meet Students Union of Kanglai Park in the final of the 6th Kanglai Mega Sports Festival Joint Student Coordination Committee Football Tournament. In the semi-final played at Imphal Polo Ground today, Students Union of Kanglai Park beat All Manipur Students Union 4-3. Before we wrap up the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Nongthomam Biren sworn in as the first BJP Chief Minister of Manipur. Governor Najma Abdullah is hopeful the new BJP government will work for the development of Manipur. New Chief Minister Biren assures people of ending UNC's economic blockade as the first step of the BJP government. And former Chief Minister Ibobe's Zert's multi-party coalition government does not last long.